So first things first, thanks for watching the last video. I got like 90 more views than I thought it was.
Isn't that how much it got?
Something like
when
that.
you thought it was gonna get 0 views?
We're gonna go to the beach today. We're gonna get snacks right now.
But you guys already know, before we do anything, we gotta get some Starbucks. Can you see?
Maybe out in the dust.
You already know.
$16.
No discount.
Oh, $3 off.
Alright, now don't crash us.
Autopilot. Check it out.
Oh, I accidentally am recording again. So do you want to say? Okay, guys, I had to put the directions for this dingus.
Now I'm back on track now. I went to Salem instead of Beaver. My mom lets me have those gummies. My mom lets people hurry up to give me gummies. Sand Lake shoes. Look at the difference.
Okay, first of all, guys, he's talking all this smack, and I literally bought him those shoes. Like, okay, I bought those for you. I bought those for you. So be fine.
And I bought this outfit for you.
And I look good.
You do look good. The lady dropped my sandwich.
And she just picked it up and gave it back to me.
Yeah. I was like, that's okay. I'll just get it off the ground.
Okay, you guys, Gio got us lost again.
So mistake number 2.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Wait. Let me explain.
I can't believe this dude.
You just gotta go straight.
I can't believe him. I literally asked if he knew where he was going, and he said yes.
I said I think so.
No, you said yes.
Yeah, just go that way.
And I asked him if he wanted me to put directions.
Then that's when you're like, no.
What a ding
You're dumb,
dong.
remember? Then you just put the directions anyways. We made it. We made it. So, carrying all this stuff, our blankets, because she gets cold.
Well, it's a bit heavy.
Let's go to Pig and Pancakes.
She didn't like that.
Yeah, dude, it's just pancakes. And bacon. We're gonna go shopping next. All these stores.
Oh yeah, look at that fire outfit. No, I'm bad problem.
Super fresh. Look, it's coming.
I'm scared.
That's what's going through your head right now.
I don't know why you haven't got up and caught them yet.
I was around it. I tried to give them a chip. They're all mad. Look at this. They're screaming at me. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
Oh my gosh. No way. How do you feel? Big tough guy.
It got really hot. My sprint energy was over.
Gio is such a mess eater.
No, it's because my bread was like a rock. And I'd bite it and it'll all fall apart. Oh, the slingshot fell. You gonna save it?
Oh my gosh, what was that? Okay, now do the splits. You're giving a free show. It's only for me to see. my shovel.
So I can dig a hole.
Oh.
She's all wrapped up. Are you chilly?
Just a little bit.
We took a nice nap. This is my pillow right here. We're in the dunes now, you guys.
Oh my god.
We have to walk up this big hill. Oh, it's so tiring. Look at all those dunes over there. It's like Glamis. I'll bring my dirt bike out here next weekend. It's like Glamis. I'll bring my dirt bike out here next weekend. Slide down. Guys, the birds came back.
Gio dropped his candies.
I didn't, I just ate a candy. I got him.
We're cleaning our spot so we can go look at stores. Because Gio was falling asleep. So we have to wake him up.
What's going on? What's going on? Oh, oh. Look how good she looks, guys.
Let's go.
We just put our stuff back in there.
I know.
We're gonna get some
You
candies.
didn't know? Down at the shore, it smells like caca and wee whiz.
Oh.
Yeah. You sure you got it like that?
I got it like that, look.
Ice cream.
It's $7 per quarter pound.
Secured the bag.
Taste test. What does it taste like?
Yummy.
What kind is it?
Peanuts?
Peanuts? You gonna give some to Mr. Moo over here?
Okay.
No. 100 likes next video, and I'm gonna come back and jump off of here. It'll be good for entertainment. 1,000 likes and she'll jump off.
No.
Found you.
Super pretty.
What, are you a celebrity or something?
Yeah. No fluster talking people. I am 100%. We should get our portrait.
We should go in here. This bad boy. 60 miles an hour. Out of this place. There's nothing good here. Now I'm getting more pictures. I'm just trying to go on this. We out of here?
We out of here.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Are you trying to Rizzler? Oh.
A blessing.
It's September 20th. About to be Halloween. There's Christmas everywhere.
You already know.
And she's too excited. $116. $116?
I have to buy this for your tree.
You already did?
It's Billy.
It looks like your fingers
Psych.
in there.
You thought? I mean.
It's all the root beer, but I want some cream soda now.
Oh.
You always have to get a water to balance everything out. Always balances out if you get a water.
Yeah, does
Stay
it?
hydrated.
Okay.
We're here, we're doing a test. She's gonna say which one is my favorite out of Mug root beer, Barks, or A&W. Which one's my favorite?
Okay. I feel like it's Barks root beer, but I'm gonna go with this one, the dog.
A lot of people hate on me because I like root beer. Which one do you think?
Okay. Let me go with this one.
Oh, you were right the first time.
Dang it, you gave me a weird look, so I got it wrong.
Mug is the best one.
Okay.
Because the can is cool and it tastes good. Went with cream soda today.
This whipped cream is good.
Crack open my crisp cream soda.
I remember my first time pouring a soda.
That's only one.
Right there, boy. This is 25 cents only.
25 cents for the horse.
He's recording. He spilled my whole milkshake. And he spilled his soda.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
I'm making a mistake, guys.
We cleaned up the, not that good. Gosh, this gives a good look on this horse though.
Remember kids, this is what happens when you spill a milkshake. You get it right away. Only 25 cents. Right?
Yeah.
All the way back home. Look. Next beach trip we go on will be to the dunes. And it'll be a way better vlog than this. Trust me on that one. Right?
And he won't spill my milkshake again.
Bike videos coming too. I just gotta fix my front forks so it's not sitting this low. We gotta throw a paddle in this bad boy so we can take it to the dunes.
It just started. I got it.
There he is. Where's your Bronco, buddy? He's dialed in the side by side. We're the Three Stooges. Certified third wheel. Yeah. Yeah. What happened? Why do you look so down?
This stupid idiot over here was like,
I'm a stupid idiot and I have a small penis.
and
It's rated R, and we didn't know that.
and he said, how old are you guys? And I said, we're all 18. Next thing I know, this guy's like,
Oh, she's 15.
So now we're waiting for Jams and Jenny, Junior sisters, to come to buy the tickets for us. We got the whole theater. We rented out the whole theater.
He's like, did you just sell tickets to those kids? I'm like, they're with us.
Jenny?
He's like, you didn't check their ID? I was like, you need to see my ID? And Jenny pulled out the ID.
How am I behind first?
I was literally in second place earlier.
You're about to lose a spot.
And you got...
Oh, fuck.
These other guys are dialed. You don't know how to play. Third.
Time to end this video.
We're out of here.
We're all back.
All three of us. We'll see you guys in the next video. Get this video to 100 views and 80 likes.
Outro.
This is why you can't drive.